One other case of note this past several weeks, we have a client of ours who was involved in a car accident and sustained an injury to his spine. Now, that injury resulted in chiropractic care and some visits for an orthopedic surgeon, but no surgery. Now, this individual, unfortunately, had some prior problems with his low back as well, but we were able to argue that part of his inability to continue employment was because of this accident. Now, the insurance company in this case, we went to a mediation and flew in an individual from Texas to come to mediation. And after about 5 minutes in the mediation, they offered $20,000, at which point I put my materials into my briefcase and I walked out the door. Approximately 1 year later, after continuing to prosecute the case, and again working very hard, the insurance company contacted us again in an attempt to discuss a resolution to the case. We went to another mediation. I did so, and I generally don't do that, after telling the insurance company and the attorney, who I know very well, that if they were coming back with those same types of numbers, that we would just walk out again. Ultimately, after several hours, and more than several hours of negotiation, we were able to settle the case for well over 6 figures. And obviously the client was thrilled because this was a non-surgical disc case with mostly conservative treatment. And again, the number came into a parameter and into a range that I felt comfortable with, and the client was thrilled.